In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can start making money with Bitget copy trading. Bitget has copy trading directly integrated in their platform, and it is very simple to use. If you want to get started with Bitget copy trading, I recommend you go below this video and click the very first link in the description. With this link, you will get to this page where you can get the best bonus. Only when using this link to register for a new account, you can claim the best bonus on Bitget, which is worth $30,000. So if you want to take advantage of that, click the first link in the video description and get your bonus on Bitget. After signing up on Bitget, we can go right into the futures copy trading section in the top left corner where it says copy, and then select futures copy trading. Now we are in the Bitget copy trading dashboard. First of all, we can see all of the top traders on Bitget. We can see the highest ROI, which refers to the percentage gain. We can see the highest yields, which refers to the profit of the individual trader. And then we can look at the highest copier's P&L, which refers to the profit of the people that copy the lead trader. And at the very bottom, we can also see the most copy traders. At the very top, you can see two different sections. On the one side, top traders, which I just showed you, but you can also click on all traders to filter for specific things. You can first of all change the time frame, for example, the look back to 180 days, 90 days, and 30 days. You can look at the copier profit from high to low and low to high, the return on investment, the trader's profit, the assets under management, which is AUM, then how many people copy the trader, the win rate, the maximum drawdown, which refers to the highest loss. And there you can see they actually lost quite a bit, so maybe not something you want to look at. And then lastly, the trader score. This is calculated by Bitget. In my opinion, the best thing to look at is the copier profit, because at the end of the day, we are the copier and we want to make money from the lead trader. So looking at the profit from the people copying these guys usually gives us better traders. Let's now search for a great trader to copy. In general, I usually look at assets under management and also copier profit. In this case, let's just go with AUM. Let's now look for an interesting trader with a stable equity curve and a high copier's profit. This guy right here has an individual profit of 85,000, which refers to the profit that he made himself. But we can see his copier's profits were actually 700,000. The assets under management are also 700,000. The maximum drawdown is only 10%, and he has a 100% win rate. This looks very good. Additionally, we can see that he has a 0% profit share, which means you keep all of the profits. Other traders have a 4% profit share in this case, and this guy has even a 10%. In some cases, you even have traders charging 20% on each profitable trade, which is quite a lot. So this trader with 0% profit share is definitely very interesting. I will now click on his profile to analyze him further. On the left-hand side, we can see his performance overview. This is the same thing we also saw in the preview in the dashboard. Below that, we can see how many people follow this guy. Currently, 484 people follow this guy. Only 16 more people can follow this, so let's now follow this guy as well. The assets under management are 700,000. The most recent trade was today. The profit share ratio is 0%, which means we get to keep all of the profits. Then we can see all of the assets that he was trading. We can see he is very selective with only Solana, Ethereum, and Sui. Then in the bottom, we can also see all of the copy trading pairs that he has activated, which means he can also trade these coins if he wants to. But so far, he only took trades on these couple of coins, and he was doing very well with it. Then we can also look at the order tab, so we can see the order history. You can scroll through this and see if he is also making very good trades. You can also look at active trades, at followers, see their profit, and then also badges, which are awarded by Bitget. Now that we have checked everything out about this trader, we can click on copy on the right hand side and start the copy trade. There are two options. First of all, smart copy, which is what we will be using. Alternatively, you can use diverse follow. I recommend going with smart copy because this is more advanced and also more accurate, because it mirrors the exact proportions as the trader that we copy. Which means if the trader that we copy goes in with 10% of his portfolio, we also go in with 10% of our portfolio. However, if you select diverse follow, you set a fixed amount, which I don't think is really suitable for copy trading, because we want to use the same proportions as the lead trader to really have an accurate strategy that we copy. Now we click on confirm. Next, we can select how much we put into this trader overall. This does not that every trade is worth $100, but this is the maximum amount that all of the trades that he's taking will be worth for us. So if he now opens a trade which would cost us $20, he could open 5 more of these trades until $100 is reached. Now select the wallet where your funds are located. Maybe you have funds in the futures wallet. Right now I have my funds in the spot wallet. So make sure you select the right wallet here and that you have USDT available. In this case, I want to use 100 USDT from my spot wallet, which then will be transferred into the smart copy wallet right here. So we can copy this guy. The equity garden refers to the maximum amount which we can lose. So in case this trader now loses $20 overall, right? This does not have to be one single trade. This can be multiple trades together. Then we will be completely out. So maybe you have a specific risk management strategy that you only want to lose maximum at 20% of your portfolio, which in this case would be $20 of 100. In this case, we would leave this trader when the cumulative loss would reach 20 USDT. Then you also have more settings. When you click on this, you can see more options. Auto copy, I would leave this on so you automatically take the trade so you don't have to do anything. It's fully automated. Additionally, you can specify which trading pairs you want to copy. You can click on edit, deselect all, and then select specific coins. Maybe you only want to follow Bitcoin trades, so you can click on Bitcoin and then untick the rest. But in this case, I will just select all and copy the trader. Additionally, there are risk management settings, for example, a stop loss. For example, every time this position reaches negative 10%, we would close this trade, and every time we reach 100%, we would take profit. Additionally, you can use a maximum copy amount, which refers to the individual trade. Remember, before we added $100, which this trader can use for multiple trades. Now this maximum copy amount refers to single trades. So if you put 50 in here now, every trade can only be worth a maximum of $50. This does not mean that every trade will be worth $50, but if you use the same proportions of the lead trader and he goes in with 60% of his portfolio, you would still only go in with 50% of your portfolio because $50 of $100 is 50%. So that is the maximum amount. If you leave this blank and the lead trader goes in with 60% of his portfolio, in this case, you would also use 60 USDT because 60 USDT is 60% of 100 USDT. Additionally, you can add a slippage limit. I don't really think it's that important unless you're trading with a lot of money, but we can set this to 1. So every time we enter a trade and the price moves up very quickly due to low liquidity, the maximum slippage is going to be 1. So the difference that we lose will only be 1% when entering a trade. But in my opinion, it's not that important. You can also leave this blank, but let's just put this to run now. Lastly, we can also edit the margin mode and leverage. For example, we can choose cross margin and isolated margin. Maybe you have a specific strategy, but in general, I would follow the lead trader. So I will use the same mode that this trader is also using. For the leverage, you can use a fixed leverage. So every trade, for example, will be opened with 3x leverage. This can reduce risks, but it also will reduce the profit. Alternatively, you can use customized leverage for each trading pair, which is a lot of work to set up. But if you want to use different leverage on different trading pairs, you can customize this as well. I will here go with follow trader settings and confirm. And now I click on copy. We have now successfully started copy trading on Bitget. Whenever this trader now makes a trade, we will use the same trade settings and follow this trader with our money. If you want to change some settings like adding more margin or completely cancel the copy trading, go back to the copy trading dashboard, then click on futures copy trading, then click on your profile right here, and then head over to smart copy. In this section, you can see all of the active copy trades that you have. You also have the option to add more money into this guy right here. You can, for example, add 50 more USDT right there. And now we have added 50 more and we will now copy this guy with $150. You can also click on details to see more insights, but so far he didn't make any trades. And then you can also in this section edit the settings, copy trading settings right here, and then click on edit if you want to make some changes to it. If you want to completely cancel the copy trading, click on asset withdraw on the right hand side, then the amount. I now click on all, and then I withdraw the money. And that's how you can start copy trading on Bitget. While this might seem like a great option to make some money, keep in mind that there are still risks associated with it. This is no endorsement of any trader, and please only proceed at your own risk. If you want to get started with copy trading on Bitget, click the very first link in the description to get to exactly this page. With this link you will get the best bonus, which is worth 30,000 USDT. You can only get this bonus by clicking the link in the video description because this is an exclusive event, so I highly recommend you take advantage of this. If you want to see the best alternative crypto exchanges for copy trading, check out the links that we have in the video description. We have multiple guides for other crypto exchanges which also offer a copy trading feature.